In this video, I'm going to show you how to make those side buttons useful on Boox Go 7 or any other Boox device, because by default the Boox software has some issues and UX flaws that does not allow you to use these buttons properly. Like for example, in the default Neo Reader, these buttons turn pages, that's alright, but then for example if you open the Chrome browser, these buttons are useless. So what you wanted to do is to actually scroll the page, right? To be able to read the content in there. And for that, you would want to go to settings, right? No, you don't want to go to settings because previously Boox had this setting in the settings somewhere, but not anymore. They removed it for some reason. And in order to achieve that, find the application that you want to adjust the side buttons for, and then tap and hold on the app icon. So you will see the context menu that appears. And in this context menu, you would want to choose the optimize item. We go there. Instead of optimize, we have the customize written here, but it doesn't matter. And we have 4 tabs below: refresh, display, color, and others. We would want to go to others. So I go there, yeah. And here for Chrome, as you can see, we have the customize buttons option, and by default it's set to volume. So what I want to do is to set it to scrolling or page turning. For Chrome, I suggest page turning. I'll show you now why. Because when I set it to scrolling, the buttons, they work, but they work too much sometimes. As you can see, I pressed only once and it took me like through the whole page. So for Chrome, what you want to do is to go here, press optimize again, go to others, and set it to page turning. Doesn't make much sense, but you'll see that it just works. You know? Yeah, okay, it's a bit slow because it loaded the media, but yeah, now it turns approximately one screen every time, excluding the fixed header in this website. But basically you can go through anything easily with the buttons without touching the screen, which you still can do, but it's not necessary when you have these beautiful side buttons working. So yeah, this is regarding apps such as Chrome, and the most frequently asked question on my channel is basically how you make these buttons work in the Kindle app. And by default, these buttons do not turn pages in Kindle app. So for example, I go to the book I was reading last night, and yeah, all it does is basically shows this fraction of the animation in the upper right corner, which was supposed to be a page turning animation, but it's just not working. And let's see how to fix that. So we go to the main screen, and here again we repeat the same action. Tap and hold the Kindle app icon, press optimize, go to others tab, and from here we see that customized buttons are already set to page turning, which is supposed to work, but it doesn't work, and it will not work this way. What you wanted to do is to set it to volume. It will make sense in a few moments. So we go back to the Kindle, and we tap the screen anywhere, yeah, without page turning, to see this kind of view with the buttons in the upper right corner. And we want to press this AA button over here. So it opens the settings for reading, and here you have the tab, the last tab, which is called More. So you go to the last tab, and you need to scroll a bit down, and over here you will see this option, Turn Pages with Volume Controls. So this is the one which is critical, which we want to activate. So you activate this option, go back, and try your buttons, and it just works. Without the animation, like for page turning, but it doesn't matter. I mean, it just turns the pages and it magically works. So yeah, and now your Boox device is way more useful because it has the side buttons which you can utilize in Kindle app, in Google Play Boox app, in Chrome app, and in any other app you would find it useful. So yeah, Feel free to ask questions in the comments if you want make it work for you, and also feel free to subscribe to my channel for more books related tips and tricks in the future. Thank you for watching, and bye.